Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. You guys, look at this haul. I can't believe the big box of stuff I just got from Archer and Olive. So if you'd like to see what I received and also participate in a little giveaway, keep watching. All right, so if you did not know, I am on the Brand Delight Ambassador team for Archer and Olive. So I do get free products every month. And how exciting is it to get new notebooks and new stickers and new pens in the mail? I will say it's pretty exciting and I feel pretty fortunate. So thank you so much, Archer and Olive, for sending me these products. Every month I get to choose some products that I want. And this month they sent me a pretty big gift card for my June purchases, and I could choose whatever I wanted. So here's what I picked. I can't wait to show you what's inside here, and then at the end I'll talk about the giveaway. First, before I show you the notebooks, I did get a couple of other things. So I got some stickers that I did not have already. This is so pretty. Look at these stickers here. And these are, there's 2 sheets of the same. I love the Archer and Olive stickers because the florals and the leaves are so pretty. I love using them in spreads, and the color combos are always really pretty as well. Look at these. So cute, right? Really, really cute. I actually should have gotten another like doubles of some of the other ones I had already because I've used some of them up, but maybe next month I will get those. So I got those 2 sticker packs, and I will link everything in the description box if you would like to go and check it out for yourself. Also, if you use the code PWB10, which Planning with Bumble 10, PWB10, you can get 10% off your order at Archer and Olive. And that applies to everything except subscription boxes and mystery boxes. Pretty much everything else. So I will also put an affiliate link there, but if you use the code, I get credit. So thank you so much for that. So I also ordered this mint pen because something happened to my pen and the tip broke off. For some reason, I just like broke the plastic. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. And so I ordered a new mint pen, acrylograph pen. Hey, if you don't have the acrylograph pens, these are freaking awesome. I have all of them now. They are beautiful. They are perfect for coloring in anything on your bullet journals or stickers or anything like that, changing the color because they are opaque. And if you're a happy planner, they do not show through the happy planner paper at all. And you would think it would, but it doesn't. And they're amazing. And I am all for these pens. So get some acrylograph pens. They're great. All right, so let's take one at a time and see what I got here. So I always have a hard time picking out what to get on their website because everything's so beautiful. I will mention that I have a lot of these notebooks now, and I have been giving them away to friends and family. So I don't keep them all because I can't possibly use that many notebooks because I have a whole lot at this point. I do have a lot that I keep for various reasons and just because they're so pretty and I love having them, but I have been giving them away as well. All right, but let's get to what I ordered. So this first box contains, let's see, I have a list here just so I know the exact names of these products. So this is the Traveler's Notebook Morning Sun. So this is a dot grid notebook. How beautiful is this? The color of this, it's like, you might not be able to tell on camera, but it's a very vibrant yellowish orange, like a very golden yellow. And you know that I love yellow. I mean, if you know me, you know I love yellow. So, and then we have this like gold sun on here and gold foil. And this is like a linen cover. I love the linen covers because they feel so good. And I always smell these. Oh my gosh, the paper smells so good. This is just a white dot grid traveler size notebook. And then of course you always get the pocket in the back and you always get the bookmark with the charm on it. And this one's yellow. Look at this. The charm is always so beautiful with the gold charm. Okay, so that is the Traveler's Notebook Morning Sun. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet, but I'm going to use it for something because I don't have one like this yet in this size. So, excited about that. Okay, next up, I got a baby one. This is what I'm calling it. So this is a B6 Solar Dot Grid notebook. I do not have any notebooks in this size, and I thought it would be nice to have one because this is just a baby, you guys. Let me show you the difference in sizes. I'll get an A5, which is like the, you know, the typical size. Here's my A5 notebook that I use all the time, and this is the B6. So it's just a little mini notebook, and I think this is perfect for like carrying in your purse or something. Again, not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I might use it for like one of those notebooks that you just put everything in. So I've always wanted to have, this is just white dot grid paper as well. Let me show you the charm in this one. I always wanted to have a notebook, and I think I tried it before, but I never stuck to it. This is like so pretty. I always wanted to have a notebook that I throw in my purse that I write all my thoughts in. So, you know, when you're out and you're just thinking about things and you're like, oh, I got to remember that. Instead of like putting it in notes on your phone or something, I love the idea of not worrying about like what it looks like, not having, like not making it pretty, not doodling or anything, just jotting down all the things that are in my mind. And then I can flip through it later and be like, oh yeah, remember that? I mean, I could write that I have to like buy paint for the front door, or I could write that I want to remember this cool quote that I just thought of to put on a planner spread, or whatever, or like, what do I want to plant in my garden next year? Or like, hey, remember to call so-and-so, and just write it all down, like everything in my brain. So I might use this notebook for that, because then I can just carry it around in my purse because it's little and cute. Like I said, I've tried it before years ago and I never like stuck to that, but I really think that's a good idea. And there's a pen holder, so I can just pop my pen in here and always have it there. So I think I'm going to use it for that. Okay, let's see what is next. Also, can I just mention that these boxes are so cute that I have trouble throwing these away or recycling them? Does anyone else have that problem? I did recycle some of them because I have a lot of boxes like this, but like, I just feel like they're so nice and I should be using them for something. If you have any ideas of what I can use the Art Turn Olive boxes for, let me know, because I mean, so cute. Okay, next up, let's check out what we have here. I don't even know what's in this box. Oh, okay. This is so cool. So this is an A5 Notepad, and I don't have this yet. This is the rainbow A5 Notepad. So I have an A5 Notepad that's Neapolitan, which is the craft paper and the white and the black. But this one, look at this. Oh my goodness. So I bought this for a couple of reasons. So when I use the Amy Tangerine planner, I haven't started it yet. I mean, not planner, the notebook. I haven't started writing in it yet because I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. But when I use that, it has this color pages. So when I use the Amy Tangerine notebook, and I make a mistake, I can take one of these pages out. It's perforated, so you can just rip it out. And then I can glue it in over my mistake and then keep going. So that's one thing these are really good for. The other thing is sometimes I just want a piece of colored paper, you guys. I want a piece of yellow paper. In fact, if I was making a happy planner spread and I wanted to have a piece of yellow paper in there for whatever to rip and put in, or like to write on, it's right here. If I just felt like writing on a piece of purple paper, I could rip it out and write on the purple paper. I love these notepads. This is the product I did not think that I needed. I really didn't think I needed, but I do need it. Okay. So that's that. So let's see, what is next? This one is an 8x8 square dot grid notebook, twin arrows. look at this. So I like this size because it's just different, you know, because I have quite a few of the A5s, but I think I have one other one that's a square. I might have given that one away actually, but I really like the size of this. And I mean, the color is just gorgeous. This is a linen cover. And the color is so pretty, and it's got these arrows. And if you know me, you know I love arrows too. And these are gold. And I just think the size is really cool to use for whatever. This would be a really nice sketchbook, actually. Or, you know, something like that. And then we have, let me show you the ribbon bookmarks in the same color as the, actually a little darker than the cover. So pretty. So that one is the twin arrow. Okay, so let's check out what's inside this one. Oh yes, this is the B5 Silver B Dot Grid notebook, and I believe this one's a Neapolitan. Oh yes, look at this, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. I don't have any Neapolitan B5s, so I thought this would be fun to have. And this is a black linen cover with that silver B on it, which is like a lot of the Archer and Olive notebooks have that B, and I don't even know if I have any with the B yet. So it's so pretty. And the B5 is a slightly larger size than the A5. I will show you the difference here. So this is the A5, which is like a typical bullet journal size, and this is the B5. So it is definitely a bigger notebook. I don't know what I'm using for yet. I might give this away as a gift, not sure yet, but look at this. I just love that the different pages, like that it transitions like that. Isn't that cute? Let's check out the bookmark. This one has a, I'm not going to pull the whole thing out. It's black and it has a silver charm on there. So really, really pretty. All right. So I have one more thing to show you and then we'll talk about the giveaway. Look at this. This is a very large notepad, and this is a Neapolitan notepad. I told you I have an A5 Neapolitan notepad, but I don't have any bigger notepads like this. And this is going to be the same size as this, and you can see the perforated edges. If you take this out, you can paste it into here. So this is a B5 notepad. And it is perfect. So I can just pull any pages out that I want and use them at any time for anything. So really nice, and it's bound really well. It feels very high quality. All of Archer and Olive stuff is so high quality. You'd be amazed. Once you start using it, you're going to have a problem using any other bullet journal company's products, just because this feels so, it all feels so good. It smells good. The paper is smooth. It's easy to write on. It doesn't, there's like no ghosting. It's very thick. So I love their paper so much, and I love these notepads. Okay, so the giveaway, I was sent 2 of these B5 Neapolitan notepads. So guess what? I'm giving one away, and it's in a sealed box. Okay, so it's brand new. And here are the giveaway rules. Okay, first off, this giveaway is for US only, and I really apologize to you international folks. I try to do international giveaways sometimes. I don't really know the rules of YouTube for international giveaways. I have heard that in some countries it is illegal, and I don't want to get into that. The other reason is this is a really heavy notebook, and the shipping costs can get kind of pricey to certain countries. So this time it's a US only giveaway. So sorry about that. I actually do a lot of international giveaways on my Patreon. Pretty much every giveaway on my Patreon or my Facebook group from Patreon, I guess, is all like international giveaways. And I do one of those every month. In fact, sometimes I do 2 or 3 in a month. So I do a lot of giveaways over on Patreon if you're interested in joining my Patreon. Okay, so All of the rules will be in the description box below. So if you missed something here, it's fine. Just go back underneath the video and just read about it there. So you have to be 18 and older to enter. It will be open from now that you're watching this until Friday, June 25th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. And at that time, I will do a random drawing of all the entries that I've received under this video. So basically what you need to do is 3 things. Subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on Instagram at planningwithbumble. And I'm sorry if you guys don't have an Instagram. It's real easy to set one up. You can just set it up and follow me, and that way you'll be able to enter, okay? And leave a comment below with your Instagram handle. So that way, if you are the winner, because I don't have any way to contact you on YouTube, and sometimes if I comment, people don't see it and they don't know that they won. So I want to make sure you can get your prize. So comment below with your Instagram handle, and then I will reply to your comment if you're the winner, but I will also message you on Instagram, and then we can go through the details of getting your address and stuff on Instagram. So I hope that makes sense. But again, the rules will be in the description box below. Good luck. And this is a really cool prize. I hope you enjoy it if you're the winner. And I guess that's all I've got for you today. Check out Archer and Olive. Like I said, code PWB10 will get you 10% off there, and they've got some really cool stuff. So that is it for me today. I hope you have a good one, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.